The lead just by one. Pusa tumanggap, binigay kay Bicoy. 18 to shoot. The Steve nakatanggap. No fouls ko. Foul! 69. Warning for graduation. Third down. Sorry. Third down. Kayo na kasi sabi ng third. Okay. Push up with the spin is good. Hindi tayo sa score at 9-4.
Ba't tumulong na naman? Pinalik ang cellphone?
Second shot. It's good. Last 2 minutes. Puting ang baga ng Team Yellow. Sean turning on the Jets. Crosses over. Gives it to Paul. No good. Rebound ni Ben. Foul. Kita na yun. Sumapit eh.
Gago dami sumigaw na tatawasin eh. Kalma lang Jun. Sit mo Jun.
No good. Last shot.
Aljon, shoot mo.
No good. Rebound pa rin ni Aljon. Aljon recovers the ball. Makapia doesn't take a three. Jumper is still good. Rebound in the bye-bye. Why is that? Ni Aljon. Aljon to ball. Libre sa place.
Tangina!
Rebound ni Ben. Binuhan na ang bola. Ball takes another three. No good.
Tangina!
Jumper. No good. Rebound. Oh my God. Wala pa rin tipping. Buhay pa rin ang bola. No foul. Paul. Nagkakaroon ng binigay ni Ben. Ben takes the three. Last, wala pa. Score, isa lang lamang ang Team Pink. Habay-bay, libre, lamang ulit
Putang
ang
ina.
Team Yellow. Last 1 minute.
Paul! Buzzer ulit!
Sabi ni Red, basta daw.
Kaya na gago, second overtime to pre.
12 to shoot.
Timeout po kami, timeout.
Sige, basket. 5 to shoot.
Tangina!
No good. Rebound to Justin binigay kay habay-bay. Outlet pass to Janjan all alone. No good. Foul. Penalty. Timeout.
Tangina, penalty.
Second. Isa lang. Ito wala na. Yellow, wala ng timeout. Team Pink, may isa pa kayo timeout. May isa pang timeout ang Team Pink. Team Yellow, wala na.
Ba't ang ano?
Ulitin ko, baka di narinig. Wala ng timeout ang Team Yellow. May timeout pa ang Team Pink.
Okay, sure ako dyan. Tama ako.
First shot for Macapia.
Nice one!
Nice one at 97.
Second overtime! Ay, gago.
He can take the lead with this shot. He does it. He gets short. Kuha ni Macapia. No good. He may habay-bay. Habay-bay against everyone. 2 points. Habay-bay. Shot clock is off. No shot clock. No points called. 20 seconds remaining. No jumpers called. Kuha ni habay-bay. Foul. Aljon.
Dapat dito, pwede follow.
14 seconds remaining, 99 to 97. Ian, basket time out.
natalo, pre. Lag na.
Rep, basket time out sa pangalawa.
Hoy, gago, hindi na pa ako dyan. Gago,
Oh, basket time out, basket time out.
Isa na naman to, pre.
Kumati si Jan Jan.
Si Kuya Paul yan, si Kuya Paul na. Hey.
Pag na-shoot yan, time out pa rin yun.
Ang ginagawa mo, naglalag kaya ka. Ang sakit na ng pwede ka, pre. Ay, maganda na. Hindi ma-shoot yan pag nakatari sila.
Time out, Rep! Ball nakatanggap. Time is ticking. 10 to shoot. Magapi na rin sa Magapi at takes a three. It's short, kuha ni Ben. Wow! Graduate na na, Pusa. Graduate. 5 seconds remaining. Ben has 2 to shoot. 5. Graduate, Pusa. LJ, graduate na si Pusa. Ben has 2 to shoot. One more. One more to shoot, and he can cut the lead just by one. They still got time. Anyone's ball game. He may, oh! He makes the second. Nakuha na kanina. Who's fouled it?
Ayun, susukti ko sa break ko na yung pangalawa. 2.2 seconds.